Welcome to the fourth Peace and Conflict tutorial. I will be talking about Christian beliefs on pacifism, the Quakers and examples of passive resistance. Pacifism is the belief that violence and war can never be justified. Biblical teachings to support pacifism are the Decalogue forbids killing, Jesus taught people to love their enemies and he stopped his followers from using violence. The Quakers were one of the first Christian groups to be pacifists. They act as mediators for peace, which means they try to help people in conflict reach a peaceful agreement. However, some Christians criticize pacifism because it means the aggressors, who are the group that is first to attack, always win. There is nobody prepared to protect the innocent, and evil can succeed over good. Passive resistance is non-violence opposition to something, which may involve going against certain laws. Martin Luther King believed that God was on the side of the poor and he used passive resistance to work for equal rights for black people. Jesus predicted that evil would destroy him on the cross, but he would not be beaten. He didn't fight the arrest or crucifixion but won a victory over evil when he resurrected. You might be asked to outline 3 Christian beliefs or teachings about pacifism. Or you might be asked to argue for and against on whether pacifism allows aggressors to win. In summary, the Bible requires Christians to make peace with their enemies. Churches have different opinions on whether Christians may fight. And today, many Christians are pacifists, like the Quakers. In the next tutorial you will look at the just war theory, the conditions required for a just war, what the Bible says about just war, and why some Christians agree with it and some don't.